marriage, we will let you know through the letter. And after that they are going back, and Meenu's sister, their father and mother, they are sitting and talking. So when she is going, that time Meenu's sister, she is saying to her sister Meenu that today you are looking very beautiful, and the next maybe they like you very much. But then also Meenu just she feel something, and after that what she did, she went to change her dress. And after that we'll see here, this is the novel, you know that novel, the continuation story will be there, continue, one will stop there, then afterwards what is going to happen. So here we can see that page number 6, and where the last is ending, क्या पता क्या जिन्हें पसंद आनी चाहिए उन्हें तो पसंद आई या आई होगी, देखो क्या होता है, कहकर मीनू अपनी साड़ी बदलने चली गई. दैट इज द लास्ट सेकेंड लेसन एंड. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स द कंटिन्यूएशन विल सी दैट लेसन थर्ड क्या है, विल सी दैट दिस हियर इट इज शोइंग अमित्स फैमिली. फ्रॉम दिस लेसन we will see that Amit's family and what they are discussing there, whether they like Meenu or not. Okay, so we'll see that. अमित व मायाराम जी जब अपने घर पहुंचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि कोई सज्जन उनका इंतजार कर रहा है. When they, Amit and their family, when they reach Meerut, that time someone is waiting there. Who is that? They also don't know. बात करने पर पता चला कि वे उसी शहर के एक धनी व्यक्ति थे. So when they talk, then only they come to know that he is the belonging in that Meerut only, but he is very rich person. So why he came there? उस व्यक्ति का नाम क्या था? तो उस व्यक्ति का नाम, जिनका नाम धनीमल था, धनीमल, his name is धनीमल. मायाराम जी व धनीमल जी कि कुछ समय तक बातें होती रही. So when he came there, so usually when the people are coming our house, though if they are new also, so we will ask them why you came, who are you, so something like that. The Amit's family, Amit's father and Dhanimal ji, that person, they both are talking. Dhanimal ji अपनी बेटी का रिश्ता लेकर आए थे. So here also what happened, that Dhanimal, he is very rich person, and why he came? He came to regarding marriage proposal. Whose marriage proposal? Her daughter Sarita. This incident is happening where? In the Meerut only. Okay, so here that Dhanimal, he came Amit's house and he is talking with Amit's father. उन्होंने उसका फोटो मायाराम जी के सामने रख दी. So Dhanimal, what he did, he took her daughter's picture and he gave to Mayaram and showing him. शादी में 5 लाख रुपए लगाने के लिए कहा. So what he said, that Dhanimal, he is very rich person, so he want to marry her daughter to whom? With Amit. But what he is saying, I will give the 5 lakhs also, dowry, that also he is giving. And he is saying, but here Mayaram ji Dahej Virodhi the. He is very against to Amit's father. He don't like such a person who will say about that money and all the things. He just hate like that person. Okay. उन्होंने धनीमल से कहा, Amit's father said, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, no need. हम अभी एक लड़की देखकर आए हैं, पसंद भी आ गई है सबको. So his father is saying directly no. Now only we saw one girl and we like or तो everyone, सभी पसंद भी आ गई है सबको. So everyone like that girl. वे नहीं चाहते थे कि who धनीमल मायाराम जी who's Amit's father, वे नहीं चाहते थे कि एक बड़े घर की लड़की लेकर वे अपने बेटे को बेच डाले. So Mayaram ji, he don't want to marry in one rich family. If he is marrying his son in the rich family, what will happen? All the time that the girl's family, they will say, they will show their money. So because of that only Amit, they are middle class family, so he don't want to marry his son in the rich family. उसके पाँव में वे बेड़ियाँ नहीं डालना चाहते. He don't want to sold his son in the rich family. Otherwise, all the time they will show their money and they will say, this is our brother-in-law, this is our son-in-law. Like that, many things they will say all the time. The boy, he has to go there and he has to stay there. Such a type of bonding will be there. So because of that only Amit's father, he don't like this proposal. मायाराम जी के मना करने पर भी धनीमल ने कहा, he is saying no. Who? मायाराम जी. He is saying no. Then also धनीराम is saying, मेरी तो बस 3 बेटियां ही है, मेरे मरने के बाद सब कुछ इन्हीं का है. So again that person धनीमल, he is saying, I have 3 daughters only. After dying, everything will be for them only. All the properties and all the things for them only. यह कहकर वे उठ खड़े हुए और चलते चलते कह गए कि आप विचार कर लीजिए, मैं कल आकर मालूम कर लूँगा. Again he is leaving and he is going, and while walking he is saying that tomorrow, again you have to think about this proposal, and tomorrow I will come once again. सरिता का फोटो उनके सामने रखा हुआ था. In front of him that Sarita's photo, Maya Dhaniram's daughter's photo was kept there. माताजी, पिताजी, अमित व उसकी बहन सभी ने उस पर विचार किया. So again that what happened, Amit's family, mother, father, her sister, everyone, they are thinking about this. उनकी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या किया जाए. They are not understanding what we have to do. तभी उनके पिताजी बोले. So that time father is saying, भाई लड़की तो मीनू भी अच्छी है. The father is saying, yes, today what we have seen the मीनू, that girl also is very good. साधारण परिवार की है. She is coming from the middle family. She is belonging from the middle family. तो क्या हुआ, पढ़ी लिखी है, काफ़ी गुणवती लगती है, उसके बात करने का तौर तरीका भी मुझे पसंद आया. दो फादर इज सेइंग दैट शी इज़ वेरी वेल एडुकेटेड एंड ऑल द गुड क्वालिटीज शी हैज़, गुणवती, उसके बात करने का तौर तरीका मुझे पसंद आया. हाउ द वे शी इज टॉकिंग, दैट वन आई लाइक. हु इज सेइंग? अमित्स फादर इज सेइंग. ओके, रिगार्डिंग टू मीनू. माताजी शायद कुछ पैसों की तरफ झुक चुकी थी. सो mother is there. She already that Dhanirams, he came and he said that he will give 5 lakhs dowry. So because of that only mother started thinking here. So she is thinking, if we will reject Meenu and we will marry with Sarita, so we will get much more money. So that thought came in mother mind. वह बोली, रंग रूप में तो कम धनीमल की लड़की भी नहीं है. So she is saying that the Dhanimal's daughter, she also is very good. फोटो दिखाते हुए बोली, she was showing Sarita's photo and saying, देखो तो कैसे तीखे नाक नस्क है, इसके और भाई तौर तरीके आदत का तो साथ रहने से ही पता चलता है. So already mother is decided, already mother is thinking that, oh, 5 lakhs we will get and we can leave. So they are the middle family only. So if they are getting that money, so they can live like a rich person. So mother started thinking and she is showing Sarita's photo and she is giving her opinion to everyone. She is looking also very good, and the nature, no problem. After the marriage, we can come to know that whether that girl's behavior is good or not. Before we cannot decide. Like that, mother is giving her opinion. तभी अमित की बहन मीनू का फोटो भी उठा लाई. So that same time, Amit's sister, she took the Meenu's photo and the both photo they are comparing. सरिता और मीनू दोनों के फोटो सामने रखकर देखने लगे. सरिता के कटे बाल उसके चेहरे की सुंदरता बढ़ा रही थी, पर नाक नस्क में मीनू से ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी. So what happened when the Amit's sister, she took both photo. Which photo? Sarita's photo also, Meenu's photo also, and she is comparing with that. So while seeing Sarita is looking the color, she is little bit fair, but while looking the face and eyes, everything, that one looking more beautiful. Who is looking more beautiful? Meenu. She don't like Sarita. Okay, तभी अमित ने माताजी से प्रश्न किया. द सेम टाइम अमित आस्क्ड टू हर मदर, माँ, बड़े घर की लड़की क्या तुम्हारे साथ रह सकेगी? अमित इज आस्किंग, ही इज आस्किंग टू मदर, इफ यू विल मैरी विद द रिच फैमिली, दैट गर्ल विल एडजस्ट विथ यू. क्या हमारे घर के वातावरण में घुल मिल सकेगी? व्हाट इज द एटमोसफेयर, आवर एटमोसफेयर एंड द मिडिल क्लास फैमिली वी आर, सो शी विल बी एडजस्ट विद दिस फैमिली. माँ को लगा शायद अमित सरिता के रिश्ते के लिए तैयार नहीं है. सो मदर, शी इज द मदर, राइट? So she come to know that Amit she don't like Sarita. She is not at all ready with that. इसलिए वह बोली, बेटे व्यवहार का तो किसी का पता नहीं. So mother is saying no problem, while nature we don't know. किसी का पता नहीं है, ना तो सरिता के बारे में कुछ कहा जा सकता है और ना मीनू के बारे में. So mother is saying to Amit, Sarita also we don't know and Meenu also we don't know. When we will live together, then only we will come to know then how they are. फिर भी माँ देख लो तुम ही कहकर अमित चुप हो गई. अमित चुप हो गया. So again the mother is saying, just Amit is saying to mother, just look, and after that he keep quiet. He know that we can't say to mother, if we are saying anything to mother she will not understand. उसके पिता को भी यह बात का आभास हो रहा था कि बड़े घर की लड़की जो ढेर सारे दहेज अपने साथ लाएगी शायद परिवार वालों के साथ मिलजुल कर ना रह सके. तो फादर ऑल्सो ही ऑल्सो कम टू नो दैट व्हाट if we will marry, because we are belonging in the middle class family, if we are marry with the rich person's daughter, so what will she will not adjust with this, because she will bring more money and that money she will show, and all the time she will say that I have bring this much dowry, and all the time she will not adjust with that family. Father also come to know, but mother is very greedy, like she is saying that no, if we will marry with this Sarita, so what will happen, our life will be changed. Then she started dreaming many things. परंतु अमित की माँ ने तो धन के सपने देखने शुरू कर दिए थे. What I said, started dreaming. Okay, इसलिए उनके तर्कों के सामने मायाराम जी की एक भी नहीं चली. Father is giving the suggestion that also mother is not at all ready to listen this all things. अंत में यही निश्चय किया कि सरिता का रिश्ता मंजूर किया जाए. So finally what they have decided, because mother is not at all listening anything. Amit already said I will not say anything because she like Meenu, not Sarita. Then also mother is thinking about the money and she is saying no, we will marry Sarita only. So already father is saying to mother, but mother is not listening. So already they decided, okay, we will accept that marriage proposal. Which marriage proposal? Sarita's marriage proposal. और मीनू के यहाँ मना करने का पत्र लिखा जाए. So already they have said that through the letter only we will inform you, Meenu's family, fathers, they have said like that. So now they are deciding that we will say about the, through the letter we will inform Meenu that we don't like. लड़के वालों के दिल में भी अंतद्वंद होता है जब किसी लड़की को देखने के बाद उसका रिश्ता लेने से इनकार कर देते हैं. So here अंतद्वंद means what? Two thoughts will come. Everyone's mind, the two thought will be there. What is that? One thought is there whether that girl she like me or not. The same situation will happen to girl also, whether that boy like me or not. Here also the same things happen with Amit also. Okay, so here also, so then also the people, Amit's family, mother, father, sister, they all are thinking whether how we will reject Meenu. वही अंततः अमित के परिवार के सभी सदस्यों के हृदय में थी. The same situation is happening to here also, where Amit's family also, whether how we will say and how we will reject that girl. So again, मीनू के यहाँ कैसे मना किया जाए? Father started thinking. सभी इसी सोच में लगे थे. How will say no? तभी माताजी को एक युक्ति सूझी. Then also mother got one idea. What idea? Will see that. वह बोली, मीनू की बहन कैसी लगी? So again she started poking. How? मीनू की बहन कैसे लगी? She started, Meenu's sister, how she is? She is also very beautiful, right? Again the next thing, the thought is coming to mother's house. मीनू की माँ तो मीनू से ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Sorry, मीनू की बहन तो मीनू से ज़्यादा सुंदर है. तो mother is giving her opinion. What opinion she is giving? She is saying, हाँ, Meenu's sister, she is more beautiful than Meenu. So mother is thinking about something not good, okay, something bad only. Because of that only she is making this situation. पिताजी ने उत्तर दिया, पर तुम यहाँ सब क्यों पूछ रही हो? Mother is saying that, father is asking, why you are asking such a, we have went to see Meenu, not Meenu's sister. रिश्ता मीनू का लेने गए थे, ना कि उसकी बहन का. अरे तुम समझते नहीं हो. अगेन मदर इज सेइंग टू फादर, यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग, कीप क्वाइट. माताजी बोली, कल ही उन्हें पत्र लिख दो कि हमें तुम्हारी छोटी बेटी पसंद है, यदि हमारे यहाँ शादी करना चाहते हैं तो मीनू से नहीं बल्कि आशा से कर दे। तो मदर इज गिविंग वन आइडिया. व्हाट आइडिया शी इज गिविंग? बिकॉज मीनू इज द elder sister and Asha is the younger sister. If any family, if elder sister marriage is not happen, they will not give the younger sister. That is most of the families like that, because elder sister has to marry, then afterwards younger. But Amit's mother, what she is saying? She is thinking that, oh, if we'll ask like that, so maybe they will reject. From there, they will reject. No need to say that we have reject. Okay. So like that thought, Amit's mother was thinking like that. Okay. तो इससे क्या होगा? So again Amit's father, he was thinking, why she is saying like that? What will happen if I will say like that? पिताजी बड़े विस्मित स्वर से बोले. He was very surprised and he is asking, what will happen if we will say like that? अरे क्या होगा? मदर इज सेइंग, अरे क्या होगा? छोटी बेटी की शादी बड़ी से पहले थोड़े ना कर देंगे. तो मदर इज सेइंग, if elder sister is there, they will not give the younger one. So directly they will say no. बस रिश्ता अपने आप छूट जाएगा. मदर इज सेइंग, आफ्टर सेइंग दिस they will reject. No need to reject us. They will reject. माताजी बड़ी प्रश्न मुद्रा में बोली. शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड शी इज सेइंग, हु? अमित्स मदर ओनली. ओके. जैसे उन्होंने कोई महत्वपूर्ण योजना बनाया. दैट मीन्स शी इज थिंकिंग दैट आई हैव मेड वेरी गुड प्लान. ओके, लाइक दैट शी वॉज थिंकिंग. परंतु यह क्रूर योजना पिताजी के समझ में नहीं है. बट दिस बैड थॉट द फादर डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मदर इज थिंकिंग. वह किसी लड़की वाले का दिल नहीं दुखाना चाहते थे. फादर, ही डोंट लाइक टू से and the girl's family, because he know that I have also one daughter, and if someone is coming and saying to me, so that situation I will also face in the future. Because of that only father is saying, no, I cannot say no. Like that situation I don't want to create. Father is saying like that. परंतु पत्नी के जोर देने पर उन्हें पत्र लिखना ही पड़ा. When the father is saying that, pati means husband is saying like that, so mother all the time she is saying, so what father will do, what husband will we do? He agree to write the letter. पत्र लिखते समय पिताजी बोले, अरे अमित की माँ, मुझसे तो यह सब नहीं हो पा रहा है. So again the father is writing the letter and he is saying that I cannot do these things because I cannot hurt that people where I went there and already we like that girl, and afterwards you are saying that no, we will say that we like your younger daughter. It is not good. Father is thinking the positive way, that mother is thinking about what she is thinking about Sarita's money. Because of that only mother is planning this all the things. Okay. So father is saying, अरे अमित की माँ, मुझसे यह सब नहीं हो पा रहा है. देखो ना, हमारी भी तो बेटी मधु है. यह कोई हमारे साथ करे तो हमारे पे दिल पर क्या बीतेगी. तो अगेन द फादर इज सेइंग दैट इफ I have one daughter, Madhu, our daughter Madhu, if someone is doing like that, then what we will think, what we will feel. The father is saying like that. But then also mother is not at all ready to listen anything. माँ गर्दन हिलाकर बोली. What he say? तुम तो बहुत कोमल दिल के हो. जब पैसा पास होता है तो कोई लड़की घर पर नहीं बैठ सकती. तो father is saying, mother is saying to father, if we have money, so no one will reject our daughter. So you don't think about too much. Just you write and just send that letter. अच्छी से अच्छी जगह रिश्ता हो जाता है. तो mother is saying, if we have money, so then good family we will get. You don't think about that. अमित की माँ पिताजी को उकसाती रही और पत्र लिखने के लिए मजबूर करती रही. So all the time the mother is saying, you write the letter. So like that mother is saying, and what happened? Father, because of that mother is saying, because of that only father wrote the letter to Meenu's house. पत्र लिखने के बाद पिताजी को लगा शायद उनसे कोई घोर अपराध हो गया है. So after writing the letter, father is feeling that I have did very big crime, because he know that because he is the father, he also the one of daughters, he also the father. Then he want to know, he know that situation, what will happen after reaching that letter in that house, what will happen. The family member, everyone will become very sad. because we went there to see the Meenu, but now we are through the letter we are saying that we don't like your daughter, elder daughter Meenu, but we like your younger daughter Meenu. It is a really that message there. So because of that only father is thinking about that I did very wrong because I have to not do this one. But then also what happened, the other side, wife is saying no. Purposely the wife is making him to write the letter. Because of that only father is sending that letter, and he is very upset, and because of that only he is not able to do any work. In the mind, in the heart, he is feeling very sad. उन्हें आभास, उनकी मन स्थिति विकाल हो गई थी, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी अपसेट. उन्हें आभास था उस पीड़ा का, उस दुख का जो पत्र मिलने के बाद लड़की वालों का होने का था. सो व्हेन द फादर इज नो, already I told you, father know that if after getting this letter what will be the situation in that house, that pain he know very well. Because of that only he is saying that no, I will not send. But then also because of how wife said, he is sending that letter. Okay, so till here we completed. The next is the fourth, the next class we will see here. And in this I hope you have understand what is there. Amit and Maya Ramji means when they are coming from the Meenu's house, one person is waiting there, and that person is Dhanimal. He is very rich person, and he came to marriage proposal for her daughter's marriage proposal, and he is offering that 5 lakhs I will give you. And here the situation is that Amit and father and sister, they don't like, but mother, she is like a greedy, lalchi. Because that lalachpan ke karan, mother is saying no, we will reject Meenu and we will marry to that Sarita. Because of that only mother, forcefully mother is saying to father that you write the letter that we like Meenu's younger sister Asa. So like that the situation is coming, and mother is saying to them. Okay, so when that father is very upset, what is the reason? The reason is there, after reaching there, what will be the situation? Thinking about that, father is very upset, and he is not feeling that much good, that guilty he has, that what I have did the very big crime. The father is thinking like that, and he is very upset. Okay, so regarding to this chapter, this lesson, you can see that Naya Rasta self-study guide, the first extract is given there, and meanings are given there. That meanings you have to, not for the write and study that English meaning, because already I said English meaning is only for to know, to understand that lesson. Now we have to, one extract will be there regarding to that, 4 question answer will be there, that one you have to study. Okay, so those who have that Naya Rasta self-study guide, that one you take lesson 3 and page number 28. The first we will discuss that one. फर्स्ट वन, अमित और मायाराम जी अपने घर पहुंचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि कोई सज्जन उनका इंतजार कर रहा है. राइट, दैट फर्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट इज गिवन देयर. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज in the beginning itself. You have seen that the lesson when you will start the first sentence itself, it is given there. So the question is asked here, अमित और मायाराम जी कहाँ गए थे, उनका संक्षिप्त परिचय दीजिए. So अमित और मायाराम जी, where they went. So you have to short describe about that persons. Okay, who all that persons? Amit and Amit's father. So Amit और मायाराम जी मीरापुर गए थे. Right, मीरापुर, who is living in मीरापुर? Meenu's family. Right, so they went to मीरापुर. मायाराम जी को अपने बेटे अमित के रिश्ते के लिए एक लड़की की तलाश थी, इसलिए वह मीरापुर कस्बे में दयाराम जी के घर उनकी बड़ी बेटी मीनू को देखने गए थे. So there you have to write, describe about them. Who is that? अमित और मायाराम जी मेरठ शहर में रहते हैं. अमित मायाराम जी का बेटा है. इसके अतिरिक्त उनके परिवार में उनकी पत्नी और उनकी बेटी मधु भी है. So you have to describe about Amit or Amit's father. So you have to write that relation. What is the relation? Father and son only, right? So in that family who all are there, that you have to describe there. Next one you can see that कोई सज्जन किसे कहा गया है, वह किसका इंतजार कर रहे थे. Here कोई सज्जन means what? Gentle person. किसके बारे में है? Someone. किसके बारे में है? तो वो सज्जन पर्सन कौन है? धनीमल. किसके बारे में कहा गया है? धनीमल के बारे में कहा गया है. वह दयाराम जी के लिए अजनबी है, ही इज अननोन पर्सन फॉर दयाराम जी, नॉट दयाराम जी, मायाराम जी, वह मायाराम जी के लिए अजनबी है, इसलिए उनके लिए कोई शब्द का प्रयोग किया गया है। बिकॉज वेन ही केम देयर, सो दैट मायाराम, ही डोंट नो दैट पर्सन, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली दैट वर्ड दे हैव यूज, दैट कोई सज्जन, समवन, ओके, कोई सज्जन। धनीमल जी मेरठ के एक धनी व्यक्ति हैं, वो कौन है? इन द मेरठ ही इज द रिच पर्सन। धनीमल जी वहाँ पर मायाराम जी की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे, ही वॉज वेटिंग मायाराम जी के लिए, क्योंकि वह अमित के लिए अपनी सबसे छोटी बेटी सरिता का रिश्ता लेकर आए थे। ही केम देयर फॉर व्हाट? हिज यंगर डॉटर्स मैरिज। उनकी इच्छा थी कि उनकी बेटी सरिता का विवाह मायाराम जी के पुत्र अमित से हो जाए, तो ही हैज़ द डिजायर दैट माई डॉटर्स मैरिज शुड बी हैपन विद अमित। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, धनीमल जी और मायाराम जी के बीच क्या क्या बातें हुई? व्हेन दे बोथ आर टॉकिंग, व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग? धनीमल, दे बोथ आर टॉकिंग, तो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग? That Dhanimal, he gave that photo and he is saying that this is my daughter's photo and I want to marry in this family and I will give the 5 lakhs. Okay, उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि इस शादी के लिए वह 5 लाख रुपए खर्च करने के लिए तैयार है, बट मायाराम जी ऑलरेडी ही इज अगेंस्ट ऑफ दिस डेवरी, सो ही से, इसलिए उन्होंने धनीमल से कहा कि इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, आई डोंट वांट दिस ऑल थिंग्स। उसी दिन वह एक लड़की को देखकर आए और वह लड़की सबको पसंद आ गई। तो फादर इज सेइंग नाउ ओनली वी केम फ्रॉम वन प्लेस, देयर वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेलेक्ट वन गर्ल, सो वी आर गोइंग टू मैरी आवर सन इन दैट फैमिली ओनली। बट अगेन धनीमल इज सेइंग व्हाट ही इज सेइंग। यहाँ सुनकर धनीमल बोला, मेरी 3 बेटियाँ हैं, आई हैव 3 डॉटर्स, और उनके मरने के बाद सब कुछ मेरी बेटियों का हो जाएगा। सो ही इज सेइंग दैट इफ आई विल डाई, सो ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज एंड ऑल द थिंग्स for them only. So because of that only he is saying, again when he is moving, वे इस पर सोच समझकर विचार कर ले, वह अगले दिन आकर मालूम कर लेंगे। तो again the Dhanimal he is saying that next day I will come and I will say about this. धनीमल जी का चरित्र चित्रण कीजिए, you have to write here about the Dhanimal, who is that person and what he is saying about that. So here already given there, धनीमल मेरठ में रहने वाले एक धन संपन्न परिवार के, ही इज़ वेरी रिच पर्सन, उनकी 3 बेटियां, ही हैज़ 3 डॉटर्स। इस समय वह मायाराम जी के घर अपनी बेटी सरिता का रिश्ता लेकर आए हैं। सो ही वेंट देयर हुज फैमिली, मायाराम के घर में। ओके, धनीमल जी की बातों से यह प्रकट हो रहा है कि वह एक धनी होने के साथ साथ चतुर और चालाक व्यक्ति भी है। ही इज़ वेरी रिच ऑल्सो एंड क्लेवर एंड वेरी क्लेवर पर्सन। लड़के को 5 लाख रुपए का लालच देकर वह जैसे उन्हें खरीदना चाहते हैं, ही इज़ गिविंग दैट मनी एंड ही इज़ थिंकिंग दैट आई विल बाई दैट बॉय। उनके मन में दूसरों की भावना का कोई महत्व नहीं, ही इज़ नॉट एट ऑल थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर्स थॉट एंड थिंकिंग, नो, ही इज़ थिंकिंग दैट मनी इज़ एवरीथिंग। ओके, यह पता चलने पर कि अमित के रिश्ते के लिए एक लड़की उन्होंने पसंद कर ली है, उन्होंने कहा कि वह पुनः विचार कर ले। इसका तात्पर्य यह है कि धनीमल एक निष्ठुर और संवेदनहीन व्यक्ति है। So already he come to know that already they went to see one girl and already they have selected. Then also he is saying that no, you can think about my daughter and I will give you this much money. So according to that he is very arrogant person. He is not at all good person. Okay, he don't have any feeling. संवेदनहीन व्यक्ति है। उन्हें लगता है कि धन के बल पर किसी को खरीदा जा सकता है। So here written that he is thinking like that. If money, we have money, so we can buy anything. आदर्श सिद्धांतों और नैतिक मूल्यों से दूर धनीमल जी एक स्वार्थी और मौकापरस्त और अवसरवादी व्यक्ति है। सो आदर्श सिद्धांतों मीन्स गुड थॉट्स एंड द नैतिक मूल्य इन आवर लाइफ, द मोरल विल बी द मोरल वैल्यू, दैट वैल्यू ही डोंट हैव, एंड वेरी सेल्फिश पर्सन ओनली। व्हेन ही विल गेट द चांस ही विल जस्ट चीट द पर्सन एंड ही विल गो। अवसरवादी, मौकापरस्त, ही विल चीट everyone if the situation will be there. If he is thinking like if I will give that money, so I can buy that person, he was thinking like that, and he can cheat and he can go, such a way he is. Okay children, so this first you have to just the 4 question answer is there, that one I will send through the WhatsApp, and I hope that you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Okay children, So today's class I am going to wind up. In the any doubt you have, you can ask.